Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is lecture number 3. In the previous video we can complete our supervised learning. In this video we can see what is unsupervised learning and also in a previous video I can give you some hints about unsupervised learning, but in this video we can see in a detail what is a supervised learning and much more. Let's start with supervised learning. Okay, then we can start with the second types of machine learning, that's an unsupervised learning. Then what is meant by unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning is a types of machine learning where the model is trained using unlabeled data. Then what is meant by unlabeled data? In a supervised learning we can give some label or we can give a correct data to model to predict the correct output. In this unsupervised learning we do not provide any label or any correct output. Yes, then how it's work? Let's see. uh, in supervised learning we do not tell the machine what is the correct output is, and the algorithm tries to find pattern or structure in the data by itself. Yes, in a simple term we can give the data. In a simple term we can give the data and machine figure out thing by itself. Yes, for example, we can see this example. This is an unsupervised learning example. That we can see. Imagine you giving a box of mixed fruit. Yes, in this box they are having apple, banana, and orange, but there are no label on them. And also we don't know which fruit is which. Yes, but by looking its shape, size, color, we can still group them. Yes, here also we can see we can group them. Yes, that's exactly what unsupervised learning does. Yes, it's group similar data points together based on the feature. Then what is meant by feature? In this example the feature is size, shape, color. On that base we can group them. Yes, that's a simple explanation of unsupervised learning. And also, okay guys, let's discuss with a real world example what is an unsupervised learning. Yes, we can see. So guys, let's understand what is the unsupervised learning with a simple real world example. Yes, this is an unsupervised learning. Imagine you are the owner of e-commerce platform. Yes, you are the owner of e-commerce platform. You have a data of 5 customers. Yes, and you know that the age and income or spending score of customers, but they are having a twist. Yes, they are having a twist. You don't know anything, but they are having a twist. You don't know anything else, like no label, no category like rich or loyal customer or budget friendly customer, just and raw data. Yes, just and raw data like age, income, or spending score. Yes. Now, now the main point: how unsupervised learning works here. Yes. So, unsupervised learning, the algorithm will try to find pattern in the data without us tell it what to look for. It might say whom. First and third and fifth customer are the younger age customer and spending more money. Yes, we can also group them in a first group, and second group we can do second and fourth customer are older age customer and spending less money. Yes, we can group them here. We can group we have two groups. First are younger customer and spending more, and second group is older age customer and spending less money. From that grouping we can provide them a personalized offer or personalized discounts on the basis of grouping. What types of grouping? In this first group, we can see here are having a younger customer and spending more money. For that group we can give them a personalized offers and more personalized offer and good discounts to the higher spending customers. Yes, in the second group we can see here having a older customer and spending less money. Yes, In this group we can provide them a budget friendly deals or some personalized offer also to the role in lower income groups. That's an all about unsupervised learning. I think you are understood that what is an unsupervised learning from this example. And also we can see the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning in a further slide. Then what is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning? That's we are learning. Yes, that's we are complete. That's we are completing. Just we can see the summary of what is a supervised learning and what is the unsupervised learning and what is the difference between unsupervised learning. Yes, what is the difference between in supervised learning and unsupervised learning? First of all, we can see here in the table features. In a supervised learning, we have a data, we have a label data. In a unsupervised learning, we do not have a label data. We have a unlabeled data, and and second, in a supervised learning, we have a classification task or regression task. Yes, and in a unsupervised learning, we have a clustering. Yes, we are clustering, or we can group the similar types of data or similar types of category within a one group. Yes, and output section in a supervised learning we know the data. Yes, we already know the data, but in a unsupervised learning we don't know the data and also we don't know the label also. That's an all about supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and we can discuss about difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning in this video, and we can complete unsupervised learning in this video. In the next video we can see the practical implementation of supervised learning, and also we can see various algorithm and how to use in a real world data set. That's an all about today's lecture. Stay tuned for the next video. If you are really like this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel for further notification of machine learning, and see you in the next video. Bye.